Hey everyone, this is Marjory Wildcraft with the Grow Network, and I'm here in Colorado with my friend Lynn Gillespie. And Lynn is an amazing woman. Like, she has 5 greenhouses, and we're in one of them here. But Lynn, what's the history of this? How did this one get built?
Well, this is one of my favorite ones. This is the first one we built in 1987, and we built this so that I could raise my children and have a job at home. This is actually a pit greenhouse. We are down in the ground about 4 feet.
Okay, I'm going to do a little bit of a pan while you talk. Go ahead.
If you take a look at the south wall, you can see that there's a cement wall, and then if you kind of look through the wall, you can see the snow outside. That's ground level.
Mm-hmm.
So it's
So we're down in the ground a little bit.
We're down in the ground, and that's how we retain our warmth. And then the back wall here, the north wall, is rammed earth. And it's 16 inches thick. It's just the clay soil from our farm here. And that acts as a heat sink. So it's holding in the heat for us. And then we insulated the roof on the north side, because right now there's probably 8 inches of snow on top of it. And then we have the south wall where we let the sun come in.
And here's the sun.
And this greenhouse, it'll stay above freezing almost all the time.
And you're not heating. I mean, you don't have some secret propane heater going on or something
No,
like that.
no, there's nothing. There's nothing. Yeah.
So just by the fact that we're down into the ground,
yes,
we got that big thermal mass of the back wall, which is on the north, so that the sun comes in from the south and heats that wall up. Mm-hmm. And what is the plastic on the south wall made of?
It is just a regular greenhouse film. It's a 6 mil poly. We call it a double bubble. So we have air blown in between. So there's 2 layers. That really helps with the night temperatures dropping so radically around here, because we're below freezing for almost 6 months of the year every night. So it gets pretty cold. But the fun thing that happened in this greenhouse this year was I had a little tomato plant that came up down in the back bed here. And I'm looking at that going, when is it going to freeze and die? So
yeah, tomato plants are so finicky.
I was watching it. So the morning that it was 7 below 0, I came out here to look at it, and it was just fine. It had survived.
It was 7 below outside.
Outside.
But it wasn't freezing
It wasn't freezing in here.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
like I said, we don't have any heaters or anything. So it's a really great greenhouse to grow food year round, because you can crop all your greens all winter in here.
Well, there you go. Now, I want to tell you that Lynn is working with the Grow Network to create a certification on how to grow in greenhouses. She's got, like I said, 5 different kind of greenhouses, and they're all heated in different ways. And for you stay-at-home moms, this is a real great thing to get your hubby to build you so that you can stay at home and work and have and get the kids involved with that.
Oh, for sure.
So Lynn's going to make a whole certification for us for the Honors Lab. And we're also looking at, so many of you have said, hey, Marjory, can we start having live events again? And so Lynn and I are talking about, like, hey, why don't we next winter have a greenhouse workshop where we get to all go and tour Lynn's 5 greenhouses and talk about greenhouses. And she's got 5 different ways she's heating them, or not, but getting them to stay warm. So stay tuned for that. And then Lynn also has a presentation at the upcoming Homegrown Food Summit, which you don't want to miss, because it's all about growing in greenhouses.
Yeah, it'll be a lot of fun. And a little bit entertaining.
It's like, it's always fun.
Yeah.
This is Marjory Wildcraft, and I'm with the Grow Network, and we will catch you on another video.